Super Easy Drawings! Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyo versus Pocoyo sad. Let's start drawing. At first I draw Pocoyo's eyes, nose, and his smiling mouth. Oh, he is happy. Then I draw his head. He's wearing a hat and his body with his two arms like this. Next to him, I'm going to draw Pocoyo again, but this Pocoyo is going to be sad, contrary to the happy Pocoyo. So I draw him a sad mouth like this. I draw his hat, and also his body, with his two arms next to his body. Good job! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color the happy Pocoyo skin cream first. Then I use light red for his smiling mouth. His outfit is going to be colored with this light blue marker. Then I add a little yellow for his zipper. Now let's color the sad Pocoyo. I used the same cream for his skin. But for his outfit, I use a dark blue marker. Finally, I used the same yellow marker for his zipper again. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.